Hi guys, it's Brianna Ray. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So when I got out of work today, I noticed I had a package waiting for me, and it was black, and I've been waiting for it to come forever. Pat McGrath Labs. It's all mashed up, but I don't care because I am so excited to open it. It's like the holidays. So let's go for it. So I ordered, as you guys probably already know, the Lust Gloss. You know, Pat McGrath is killing it with her lipsticks, and I was excited to know that she released a lip gloss line to add to her collection. So automatically you can see that the packaging is gold, which I love because it's my favorite color. And automatically I realized immediately she's got resealable packaging. Yes, girl. Because in the past, once you cut the top off, there's sequins all over the place. Like literally, we got some Ziploc action coming over here. So it's actually nice that you can just reseal the package and keep your sequins in place. Yeah, good job, Pat. So in case you guys want to know, I'm wearing Divine Nude from her lip gloss set that I just showed you. But anyway, let's move along. So we have these. I ordered the Skin Show Warm, and I ordered Color Blitz. Hey, with some color. So I'm going to open this up. It's like candy, like gold. This makes me happy. And I'm gonna do some swatches. If you guys want to stick along and see how they look and see how I like them. I bet you, I have a feeling I'm gonna really like it. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Just give me a minute. All right. So I first want to open up this Skin Show Nude. Let me just rip this little thing right here. Okie dokes. Okie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's a little crooked. I hate when I do that. Let's do that again. That's good. That's it. So let me see. I'm gonna open it up. And I'm gonna take all four of them out right now. So we have going on here. She's got the pretty little. I'm sorry, guys. We have here. This is, what is it? Flesh Fantasy. Hi. We have Bronze Temptation. We have over here Flesh 4. Yes. And we have, yes, Gold Allure. Hi. I like you. You're so pretty. Okay, so we have these four. This is them all together. Looking really pretty and lovely. This is gonna be like my favorite. I think I'm gonna be using this a lot. I have a feeling. So, on to number 1. I'm gonna first swatch Flesh 4. I'm doing it on a naked lip, even though there's still some color on my lip. Just ignore it. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it smells good. I happen to love lip glosses that smell good. Is that weird? Let's see. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright. It feels smooth. Alright. Got a little tingle. Okay, I love it. Do you see this? This looks really, it feels nice. I think I got everything. Okay, this wins. This is a winner. I'm gonna stop talking now. What do you guys think? Beautiful. The formula is really nice. It has a little tingle to it, actually, as it's on me right now. And it's really smooth. It was a little sticky applying, but I actually like that because it helps control it. It has a consistency of, I want to say, similar to the matte glosses. Actually similar to Rihanna's gloss. And who else can I compare it to? Even Anastasia's gloss. I'm really feeling it. And I love the smell. I always like the way certain lipsticks smell. and it has that smell that I think lipsticks to have. So I say this is a winner. This one is Flesh Fantasy. It's very pretty. So I have the color Blitz next. So the colors for color Blitz, I have nothing on my lips right now. We have, oh my gosh, here we go. Blood 2, which she's done in her Lust 007 collection, and 004, I think. Wait, don't quote me. Take it as say. This is Blitz Gold. We also have, oh wow. This is Paraphernalia. It's like a really cool purple hot color. And we also have, ooh, it's Coral Twilo. So I'm gonna try these on from our Color Blitz collection. To say, I am really feeling this Blood 2. Out of all the colors in the Color Blitz kit, the Blood 2 is my favorite. It's the highest pigmented one. You can really see the color because I'm not wearing a base. In all the swatches, I'm literally wearing bare lips with the gloss on top of it. And the Blood 2 is really, I mean, let me know what you guys think. So this is my favorite out of the Color Blitz kit, and as far as my other kit, I'm really liking Bronze Temptation. It has that pretty shimmer to it without being too glittery, but it has that nice warm pink tone that you want for every day, so I'm really liking that too. So favorites out of the bunch is Blood 2 and Bronze Temptation. If you want me to do better swatches, I'm actually planning to do that anyway. And because I just did this really quick for fun, and my little pumpkin is gonna be waking up from her nap, so I don't have that much time. So, you know, please drop some comments, like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If you want me to do more detailed on these pieces, I definitely will for you. Or if you want me to swatch anything else, I definitely will do that too. So thank you again for coming and watching my channel. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.